Hi guys, it's about a week from the introduction video. So today's currently Tuesday. I have classes today run online, tutorials. One is at 12 o'clock and the other is at 2 o'clock. Time is currently 12 o'clock. I woke up about an hour ago. So yeah, woke up pretty late. Had breakfast and now I'm just waiting for my tutorials to start on Zoom. I'll give you a quick tour of my tutorial setup before the class starts. So this is basically my setup for this semester. All the classes are run online, so I've been watching all the classes on this computer. I have all my notes here, some textbooks there, notes, tutorial preparation. So that's my preparation for today. And yeah, that's where I sit and spend the majority of my time this semester. Instead of at the uni, the tutorial desk, this is basically it now. I'll show you Zoom and how tutorials are run. So what I normally do is I have my tutorial preparation in front of me, a pen, and then I enter the tutorial online. So we're using Zoom, much like many Australian universities. Logs in via student ID. And then I'm just waiting for the host to let me in. So what happens is the host will let me in, and they've done so here, and so that's the tutorial. The tutor is going through this article right now. It was relevant towards our homework. I put the headset on usually to hear the audio. In some cases I put webcam on if it's required, but as we can see, not many people usually put webcam on. But yeah, this is how tutorials are run. Something different, something a bit challenging, but nonetheless, it's going okay for now. I'm keeping up, but I can see that it is easy to get off track and not keep up. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go to my tutorial today. I'll see you guys later.